like me. So this is what you do.
It took until day 119.
What
But the
you will
fire
do
is
if you are bored.
To save him, I needed to fight 6 bears in the ram, all in the darkness.
What?
I line up a lava trap, but I can't place it outside camp. The ram
No,
is
I
chasing
mean,
bears
what are you
everywhere.
going to do
And
if
then
you are
suddenly,
bored?
everything-
I will use my phone.
You will use your phone. Not a good idea, but it's great. Me, if I'm bored, I do none. I just go upstairs, open the light, and go to my room, and then go back, close the door, and close the light, and go up and go downstairs, and 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 drink water, just a little bit if you're bored. What the fuck? The water is wet. So the water is wet. So if you are bored, you will use electric fan to melt the ice in the freezer. That's what you're going to do if you're bored. And tips number 1, just sit down. Tip number 2, if you're bored, you will do this. What the fuck is that? You will place your camera like this. Now walk. Now, tip number 3, if you're bored, you will put your phone like this and jump. Tip number 5, if you're bored, you will do this. Magic. That's 4. If you want some awesome video like this, go hit the subscribe button and like this video and ring the notification bell. So peace.